Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to paint Peppa Pig and her family. We draw the face. Now we draw the nose, eyes, mouth. Now we paint the body, hands. Mommy Pig painting is finished. Now we paint George. We draw the face. Now we draw the nose, eyes, mouth. Now we paint the body, hands. Please like and subscribe my channel. George painting is finished. We paint Daddy Pig. We draw the face. Now we draw the nose. We paint the eyes. We paint the glasses of Daddy Pig. Mouth. The roots. Now we paint the body, hands. Daddy Pig painting is finished. Now we paint Grandma Pig, Grandma's hat. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We paint the face. Now we draw the nose. We paint the eyes, mouth. Now we paint the body, hands. Grandmother's painting is finished. It's time to draw Peppa Pig. We draw the face. Now we draw the nose. We paint the eyes, mouth. Now we paint the body, hands. Peppa Pig painting is finished. Now we paint Grandfather's hat. We paint the face. Now we draw the nose. We paint the eyes, mouth, the roots. Now we paint the body, hands. Good job! Now we make the painting beautiful with magic. Let's start coloring. Light pink, orange, violet, light pink, blue, light orange, dark blue, brown, light pink, green, please like and subscribe my channel. Red, dark blue, light blue, violet, orange, good job. Watch the next video.